The Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday inaugurated and laid the foundation stone for development projects worth over 5,400 crore in Durgapur, West Bengal. Addressing the gathering, he described Durgapur as a symbol of India's industrial strength and a vital hub of the country's labor force. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi said,
5,400 करोड़ रुपए के प्रोजेक्ट का शिलान्यास और लोकार्पण हुआ है। ये सारी परियोजनाएं यहां की कनेक्टिविटी को सशक्त करेगी, यहां गैस बेस्ड ट्रांसपोर्ट, गैस बेस्ड इकोनॉमी को बल मिलेगा। आज की परियोजनाओं से इस स्टील सिटी की पहचान और मजबूत होगी। यानी परियोजनाएं मेक इन इंडिया, मेक फॉर द वर्ल्ड इस मंत्र के साथ पश्चिम बंगाल को आगे बढ़ने में मदद करेगी।
He highlighted that the projects will create significant employment opportunities for the youth of West Bengal and contribute to the state's economic growth. The Prime Minister Modi congratulated the people of Bengal on these achievements and assured continued support from the central government for the state's progress. The Prime Minister Modi announced that steel and power plants in Durgapur and Raghunathpur have been modernized with an investment of around 1,500 crore. These upgraded facilities are now more efficient and globally competitive, strengthening India's industrial base. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi emphasized that every effort in India's factories and fields is aimed at making the country a developed nation by 2047. He outlined the government's path of empowerment through development, self-reliance through employment, and good governance through responsiveness, urging West Bengal to become a key engine of national growth. Taking a strong dig at the ruling Trinamool Congress, the Prime Minister Modi said,
जिस दिन टीएमसी सरकार की दीवार बंगाल में गिरी, उसी दिन से बंगाल विकास की नई तेजी पकड़ लेगा।
The Prime Minister Modi also criticized the TMC for imposing a Gunda tax that deters investment in the state.
पश्चिम बंगाल में जितनी संभावनाएं हैं, उनको देखते हुए दुनिया भर के निवेशक यहां पैसा लगाने आना चाहेंगे, लेकिन जब वो यहां सिंडिकेट राज देखते हैं, वे देखते हैं कि कैसे यहां उगाई होती है। ये जो टीएमसी का गुंडा टैक्स है, ये बंगाल में निवेश को रोकता है। यहां संसाधनों पर माफिया का कब्जा है, वो बंगाल में निवेश को रोकता है। यहां की सरकार नीतियां ही अपने नेताओं को भ्रष्टाचार की खुली छूट देने के लिए बनाती है।
Expressing concern over women's safety, the Prime Minister Modi condemned the TMC's failure to protect women. It is painful to see such mistreatment on the land of Kadambani Ganguly, India's first Western-trained female doctor, he said. He accused the TMC of protecting perpetrators despite its claims of upholding the values of Mati Manush. The Prime Minister Modi concluded by calling on the people of Bengal to support development, transparency and safety. He reaffirmed the central government's commitment to empowering West Bengal and making it a strong contributor to India's progress towards a developed nation.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.